When people talk about Bitcoin, you often hear the word blockchain. But what exactly is blockchain? And why is it so important? Let's break it down simply. At its core, blockchain is a special kind of ledger, a record book. But unlike a normal ledger kept by a bank or company, blockchain is shared across thousands of computers around the world. Everyone has the same copy. That makes it decentralized. No single person or authority controls it. Transactions like Alice sending Bitcoin to Bob are grouped into blocks. Each block is like a page in that digital ledger. Once a block is full, it gets linked to the previous one. That's where the word blockchain comes from. This linking makes it almost impossible to change past records. Altering one block would break the entire chain. But who decides which transactions go into the chain? That's where Bitcoin mining comes in. Miners use powerful computers to solve complex puzzles. The winner gets to add the next block to the chain. In return, they earn newly created Bitcoin. This process is called proof of work. It keeps the system secure, and it prevents cheating, like spending the same Bitcoin twice. Blockchain matters because it allows people to exchange value online without a bank, without a government, and without needing trust in the other person. The rules are enforced by code and cryptography. That's why Bitcoin is often called trustless. You don't have to trust a middleman. You trust the math. So in short, blockchain is a decentralized, secure, and transparent ledger. It's the technology that powers Bitcoin. It made digital money possible, and it's one of the most revolutionary inventions of our time.